Let me show you one last example and we can start wrapping up this course. So let's see what else I can show you. So let's go to the domain controller, and we can go to the group policy management tool, and let's edit the one we used last time. So let's edit this. We can create a new one. I just want to keep it simple. And so let's go to policies and see what's out there. Since I'm a security guy, I like the security settings, and most of the time I play a lot of settings in this location. So we did do how to do the secure restricted groups last time, and let's see what we can do with the local policies. So these are policies that are enforced on the local machine, and if you look at audit policy, so right now nothing has been logged. So let's see how we can change that. So let's say if you want to track the log on and log off events, you can say define these events, and then you can enable both these. Okay, currently on all the systems in the network, they do not have this policy enabled. So let's also see how to go to users right management, and we can do a timeout, for example. It'll be on the security options, and so you can also force the computer to require a smart card, or you can do a lot of fun things with this. You can make sure it doesn't display username for security purposes, and you can also set the account lockout threshold in here. So let's do this inactivity limit, right? So you can set up to 15 minutes. So after 15 seconds, the system is supposed to lock out. And I'm going to come back and change it. Since I'm showing a demo, I don't want to keep it too long. So let's apply. And since this GPO is already applied to my computers, it should take effect. And let's go to the Windows 10 box and check it out. So we did make a couple of changes, and but let's see if the timeout works. So the system should lock out after 15 minutes. Or 15 seconds. We can also do the same thing on the Windows machine. And let's connect it again. So hopefully the policy should be there, and let's wait for 15 seconds and see what happens. I don't think we logged off and logged back in, so let's do that. I'm going to wait for 15 seconds to see if it works. If not, we can do some troubleshooting. Okay, I see if you look here, it automatically locked the systems, so which is good. So let's see what happens here on the Windows 7 box. While you can see that, let me go to the other setting we change. Yeah, we did make one more change for the to track the logon account successful log on and log off, right? So let's check that too. So it's a local security policy and local policies, audit policies. So if you look here, success and failure. So this is because we enabled it on the group policy level. So let's close this and let's go back to the Windows 7. I'm not sure what happened here. So let's check the local policy here. Let's see if that changed. Okay, that got enabled here. Sometimes it will take like 90 minutes to take effect. So don't worry about it. It should work, and that's pretty much it's there to a group policy. And I would strongly recommend you going to the different areas within GPO and make some changes and see how it works. And like I said, my areas of interest is in the security, so it will be mostly security settings. Try to learn as much as you can in this area. Most of the other stuff is related to preferences, like setting up the wallpaper or changing the taskbar, removing some icons, things like that. And this is where you can do a lot of security related activities or enforcements.